Hey everyone, welcome back. My name is V. In today's simple everyday eyeshadow look on hooded eyes, I am using the palette AURORA Lights by BH Cosmetics, and today we are doing our sixth color and it is called Ombre. This is what Ombre looks like. This is what Ombre looks like in the palette. I'm going to use my glue. I already have pressed powder foundation, which is my MAC Studio on. I'll do the eyes and then we'll do the rest of the face. The color is white in the pan, but all the shades change. They're multicolors. They change and they shift. I'm gonna do my glue because I want to do that color. I don't know what color it's. What color? It looked like it has a blue in it. So we'll see. Just want to put a little bit of glue so it can stick a little. Again, my fingers is what it is. My lips are dry. I didn't put anything on it yet, but that's okay. Okay, let's go with this. This is Ombre. Remember, it looks white in the pan, and this is the color it's giving me. This is so pretty, this color. This is Ombre. See, Ombre looks white, and I did not put a base under it. Just powder. Gotta clean it up, and it's going to be powder again. Powder foundation. I'm going to use my powder foundation to clean it up. gotta clean the under eyes. Ooh-doo-doo. Okay, I need a bit more. Cleaning under my eyes, taking off all the excess that I don't want. And I'll reapply my powder back. I'll reapply my foundation. And this is today's simple one color eyeshadow look on hooded eyes. I use my pressed powder foundation, which is MAC. I use Cultured with a lip liner. This is Cultured. And I put a lip liner and Cultured together. My blush is by Tammy X. I use the orange one. Nothing else is new. Ombre, again, this is ombre. It's white, but it changes into these colors. I hope you can see the shift when I move in the light. Please check out my playlist on makeup, hair care, and exercise. Please watch them and then share them with a friend or family member. I appreciate you very much. This is today's simple everyday eyeshadow look. I hope you like, I hope you share, I hope you subscribe. Help me grow my channel to the next level. Again, remember, always take care of self. Self is important. Love self plenty. And I will see you in another video. Give me a thumbs up if you like the single eyeshadow look. Bye. Bye, bye, bye. Have a beautiful day. Hugs and kisses sent out to you. Hugs and kisses sent out to you. Bye. Bye, bye, bye.